everybody, it's Dara, and I want to share with you a day in the life of a raw foodist. I am no longer liquiding, although I still have plenty of liquids in my diet. For example, here's today so far. I woke up and I went and had 2 ounces of wheatgrass and a pineapple, blueberry, grapefruit smoothie. And then a couple of hours later, I had half of an avocado with some raw sauerkraut, pumpkin seeds, lemon juice, and dulse, and mashed that up. And that was my little snack. And now I'm having a green smoothie, which is 1 coconut opened up and put into the Vitamix, and a banana, a whole bunch of kale. Or actually, I used half a bunch of kale. And I'll put some spirulina and some coconut oil, a pinch of salt, and a little bit of vanilla, and that will be that. So I hope that inspires you to get some greens on and some fruit on today, and I will see you soon.